सबका स्वागत है जीकेवी सब्सक्राइबर्स यानी ज्ञान के भंडार में बाय नंदिनी गर्ग। गाइस, आप सबको याद होगा हमने लास्ट वीडियो में ओम्स लॉ के बारे में पढ़ा था। अब हम उसी लॉ को अप्लाई करते हुए दो नई टर्म्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द रेजिस्टेंस इन सीरीज एंड सेकंड द रेजिस्टेंस इन पैरेलल। गाइस, आपको यहाँ पे दो डायग्राम्स दिख रहे हैं। फर्स्ट डायग्राम इज फॉर रेजिस्टेंस इन सीरीज एंड सेकंड डायग्राम इज फॉर रेजिस्टेंस इन पैरेलल। गाइस, आपके हिसाब से रेजिस्टेंस इन सीरीज एंड रेजिस्टेंस इन पैरेलल के बारे में क्या फ़र्क है? व्हाट इज़ द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस बोथ दिस टर्म्स? मैं बताती हूँ गाइस। रेजिस्टर इन सीरीज में ऑल द रेजिस्टर्स, कोई भी रेजिस्टर आर कंटिन्यूली कनेक्टेड, they are connected in continually, but in resistors in parallel they are not connected in continuity. That's why they both are different from each other. Guys, आपको याद होगा मैंने आपको बताया था कि एमीटर was always connected in series and voltmeter was always connected in parallel. So here is the example. Just look at ammeter was connected in series means it was connected in continuity with this schematic diagram, but voltmeter it was not connected in continuity and it was connected in parallel. So here is the basic difference between series and parallel. Hope you understand. आशा करती हूँ कि आपको समझ आए. Guys, now first of all we'll read about resistance in series. So here is the schematic diagram for resistance in series. You can see that the voltmeter was connected for one end. There are 3 voltmeters for 3 different resistors. For example, to find the total voltage, we have V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So here is the total voltage. Now applying Ohm's law, we know that V is equals to IR. Potential difference is equals to current into resistance. So V is also equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. We are substituting the value of V1, V2 and V3. And now we'll take common from each other and we get R1 is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So here is the formula for resistance in series. To find the resistance in series, we will apply this formula, that was R is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. गाइस, रेजिस्टेंस इन सीरीज़ को अच्छे से समझने के लिए हम कुछ न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करेंगे. सो आपका नोटबुक एंड पेन उठाने का समय आ गया है. गो एंड गेट द नोटबुक एंड पेन. नाउ वील डू द न्यूमेरिकल्स. Here in both the circuits we have to find the total resistance like this. In circuit 1 we have R1 is 4 ohm, R2 is 6 ohm and R3 is 8 ohm. Now applying the resistance in series formula, solve this both the numericals and comment me your answer. Yeah, very right. The first answer is 18 ohm and the second is 9 ohm. We have to simply do the addition. R1 plus R2 plus R3. 4 plus 6 plus 8 is equals to 18 ohm. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equals to 9 ohm. Hope you understand. Guys, now we'll understand this second main term by applying ohm laws only, that is the resistor in parallel. And here is the schematic diagram. Here you can see that these resistors are not connected in continuity. So here we have current is same but voltage source is different. To calculate the total current, we'll apply formula that I is equals to I1 plus I2 plus R3. Now we know that by applying Ohm's law, I is equals to V upon R. So substituting the value of I, we get I1 is equals to V upon R1, I2 is equals to V upon R2 and I3 is equals to V upon R3. By taking common, V and V is cancelled, so we get that 1 upon Rp, then that is 1 upon resistor in parallel is equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. To understand this resistor in parallel equation properly, we'll solve some numericals by these circuit diagrams. Here we have two circuit diagrams which was both are in parallel. We have to calculate the total resistance. Here we know that resistance in parallel 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 is equals to the total resistance. So solve it properly and comment me the answer. Yes, बिल्कुल right. We have to just take the LCM and find the answer. We have 1 upon Rp is equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3, that is 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 30 is equals to 1 upon 3. So R of P is equals to 3 ohm. Correct answer. Now second one is 1 upon Rp is equals to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. So 1 upon Rp is equals to 3 upon 3, that is 1, then Rp is equals to 1. Here the resistance in 1 ohm. Hope you understand. Guys, अब मैं जानती हूँ while the derivation of resistance in parallel and resistance in series, you have one question that why we split here current and why we split here voltage. The answer for this question is that in parallel the current remains same but the voltage remains same but the current is different, but in series the currents remain same and the voltage is different. So that's why we split both this term in these two equations. Hope you understand my video, and if you liked my video, please comment, share and subscribe, and comment your all the problems if you have any problem. Bye bye. Please subscribe my channel.